Hello guys, on today's episode, we're taking a tour at the Nairobi Gallery. You don't have to travel to the outskirts of Nairobi to find art galleries. The Nairobi Gallery is a monumental building located along Kenyatta Avenue, one of Nairobi's iconic streets.
Welcome to Nairobi Gallery, a place of so much history about Kenya and Africa.
This often overlooked building houses some of Africa's hidden gems, including jewelry from different countries. It's a great way to learn about African history through art. Built in 1913, the Nairobi Gallery was formerly a civil service building fondly referred to as hutches, marches and dispatches because of the births, marriages and deaths that were recorded there. Today the building serves as a museum and national monument. It's also at the location of Point Zero, from which all distances were measured in Kenya. At the entrance, you'll find a sculpture which was carved from Kisii softstone by Kenyan master sculptor Elkanah Ongesa in 1974. It was inspired by a dream he had about the release of South Africa from the shackles of apartheid. Works by Ongesa can be found in museums around the world. A large and black vessel sits atop a plinth next to that sculpture by Ongesa, which in turn stands on Point Zero. The artist is Magdalene Odundo, one of the most celebrated ceramics in the world. Kenyan-born, Odundo has received many awards for poetry and pottery, including appointment to the Order of the British Empire (OBE). Inside the Joseph and Sheila Murumbi's room, items collected and used by the Murumbis are on display, including a Lamu sofa with velvet cushions, a cupboard from Zanzibar, photos of Murumbi during his leadership era, and commemoration from different countries and posters concerning aspects of African heritage. Examples of African jewelry date back thousands of years. Throughout history, the people of Africa have used jewelry as decorative adornment, markers of status, currency, and for ceremonial purposes. Designs, materials, and production methods have varied greatly over time and from region to region. Gold was used as a currency in Africa, mainly in the western Gold Coast in what is now Ghana. In the Ashanti Empire, which emerged in that region in the 17th century, gold was both a trading commodity and a currency, which is mostly found in the gallery. The art of making and designing and embroidering African textiles is as old as time. In fact, the African textile can serve as historical documents. Cloth can be used to commemorate a person, event, and even a political cause. Textile has also been used to convey important cultural information. This elaborate bearded mask is from the Banikele tribe in Cameroon. The ears represent those of an elephant, Warriors who have rendered great service to the chief and powerful members of the tribe wear it. This mantle was woven from a raw-silk by Merina weaver on the island of Madagascar. This type of fabric was traditionally reserved for the Famadina ceremony, when the bones of an ancestor are freshly wrapped in magnificent shrouds. The National Museum of Kenya holds objects telling the stories of Kenyan community. This gallery in Nairobi showcases the art and artifacts of the skilled and diverse craftspeople of the region. Everyday objects such as spoons, resting stools, and garments used to important rituals and ceremonies are on display. Weapons that might have been used in war, status, and simple traditional ceremonies also showcased here. Works of prominent artists from Africa hang in the Nairobi gallery corridors. Styles and techniques vary greatly. Some works depict traditional African folk tales, while others make statements about the politics and events of recent years. Joseph Shelo Murumbi and Alan Donovan had personal connection to many of the pioneer artists represented at the Nairobi Gallery, having supported and shown their works since they opened their first gallery, the African Heritage, in 1973. Gallery goers can take a break for Kenyan coffee, tea, and snacks at the Point Zero Cafe. Book readings and other community events also hosted at the coffee shop. Young artists can learn traditional and contemporary techniques in this room at the gallery. They include beadwork, crocheting, weaving, basketry, drawing, painting, book reading, and storytelling. You know, they say the best things in life are free. This is a fantastic reason to visit art galleries. For me, art is a form of meditation. Nothing clears your mind like visiting art galleries. It's also so fun. So see you next time in my next episode. Have a great day.